Hello everyone. So in this video we will configure inter-VLAN routing using an L3 switch. So now let's build the topology. So we have two PCs connected to a switch, connected to an L3 switch. Let's do the IP configuration. So on PC6 we will give 192.168.1.1. The default gateway is going to be 192.168.1.10. On PC7 we'll go with 192.168.2.1 and the default gateway is going to be 192.168.2.10. Once we are done with the IP configuration, now we have to configure two VLANs on the switch, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, and we have to assign fast Ethernet 01 to VLAN 10 and fast Ethernet 02 to VLAN 20. So we have to go into interface mode, then switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 10. That way that port will be assigned to VLAN 10. So here we did not create the VLAN 10, so that's why we are getting that warning here. So it will be automatically creating a VLAN since we did not create the VLAN. So now we have created the VLAN, and we have assigned fast Ethernet 01 for VLAN 10, and now we have to assign fast Ethernet 02 to VLAN 20. So here we have to go to switch mode interface mode and then switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 20. So that way that port will be assigned to VLAN 20. So you can confirm that with the show VLAN command and make sure that the ports are in the relevant VLAN. So here we can confirm that VLAN 10 is assigned to fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet 02 is assigned with VLAN 20 here. Now we have to create switch virtual interfaces, SVIs. So we have now first we have to create for VLAN 10, so interface VLAN 10, and then the IP address. So that IP address is going to be the default gateway for VLAN 10. So we are going with 192.168.1.10, and then we have to create another SVI interface VLAN 20, and the IP address is going to be IP at 192.168.2.10. So that is going to be the default gateway for VLAN 20. So now we are done with the switch virtual interface configuration. So now we can make sure that both the interfaces are up. the show IP interface command. And now if you try to, let's try to ping the default gateway first from the PC6 1.10. So now we are able to ping the default gateway from 192.168.1.1 PC. Now if you try to ping 192.168.2.1, so the ping is not successful. Why? Because we have not enabled routing on the L3 switch, so we have to do it manually. So let's go into configuration mode and then provide the command IP routing. So in that way routing will be enabled on the L3 switch. Now if you try to ping, so the ping, you should be able to ping. So here you can see that now we are able to ping 192.168.2.1 PC from 192.168.1.1 PC. So both are in the, two different VLANs, so both the hosts can communicate without any issue because of the inter-VLAN routing we have configured on the switch. Since both the hosts are in different networks, so if you try to ping, so the ping request will be sent to the default gateway, and that switch knows about the destination, and then the packet will be sent to the relevant destination. So this is simple considering the using the L2 switch. So in that way you need a router. So we have already completed that video as well, so I will be adding that link for that video in the description as well. So thank you very much for watching.